I want to add a weld table for my trailer here. So from the annotation ribbon, I'm going to select the down arrow below tables, and I'm going to select weld table. I'm going to select this view as the view to create the table for, and I'll just accept the table defaults. I'll say OK. Then I'll come over here and I'll add the weld table. Next, I would like to add balloons to correspond to each item number in the weld table. The auto balloon won't work for weld tables, so I'm going to have to come up here and manually balloon. So I'm going to select balloon. And over here, I'm going to tell it for the balloon text to just use text. And I'm going to enter number 1. Then I'm going to come out here, and here's one of my number 1 item weld features. So I'm going to click there to add it and click to place it, and I have a number 1. Everywhere I have a number 1 weld bead, I'll click and I'll add these balloons. And then I'll do the same thing for item number 2 and item number 3 and etc. for every item in the table. I'll accept this for now. It's also a good idea, I'll zoom in here, for one of your number 1s to add the weld symbol for clarity, as weld tables are typically used to sign off and track who made what weldment in larger manufacturing facilities.